Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, almost 4,000 square feet of living and single-story pool home in Central Beach location. More? Concrete block construction, fireplace, renovated kitchen, unique marble terrazzo floors and 1/2 acre corner lot. Truly a must-see home with many custom features installed by the original owner, a Nestle heir. Upgrades include complete revamping of HVAC system and 400 amp electric.